Good afternoon, everybody. So one common question that we have is, where can you inject Botox or Dysport, whichever neurotoxin you choose? So there are some common places that we like to inject. Most people do right here, they're 11, so that, angry scowl lines that you get here, straight across the forehead, so those nasty forehead lines, crow's feet here, so when you smile or squint, you get some here, and then there's other places as well. So we do a little lip flip, which kind of does this, gives you a nice full appearance of your lip, similar to what you would have if you were doing filler, but obviously it's a lot more temporary. The masseter muscle here, so a lot of women hold tension, and men as well, or they have bruxism and they're grinding their teeth at night, so it really helps just to relax that area down, but it also at the same time gives you a nice slimming effect because you've relaxed that muscle. Some people have dimpling of the chin, so it looks like an orange peel, so we can do a little bit in there. Platysmal band, so if you say the letter E, these nice little guys here, we can inject a little Botox there as well, just to relax that too. So if you have any questions, you can always come in for a consultation. We love answering questions. You can book online at www.drmoran.co, or you can give us a call, 617-631-3258. Thank you.